Hey, what's up guys? This is Mongo Programming here, and this is my first video on my brand new channel that's going to be based around C++. I'm just going to be talking about C++ on this channel. I may talk about HTML or Java or maybe even PHP in the future, maybe even SQL. So that's really it. And today I'm just going to be talking about the Hello World program and its structure, which you're mainly going to be using in most programs. So I'm going to be using CodeBlocks 10.05. So let's just go ahead and get started. So this is lesson 1. I'm not going to show you guys how to install CodeBlocks, Visual C++, Visual Studio, or Dev C++, or whatever compiler you're going to be using. You're going to have to figure that out yourself. So anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So in CodeBlocks, we're going to go to File, New, Project. We're going to go to Console Application and going to hit Go. We're going to see a familiar window right here. It's going to say welcome to the new console application wizard. We're just going to hit next. Choose C++, not C. We're going to name our something whatever we want. We're just going to name it like whatever. I'll just type in random letters. Finish. We're going to hit next and finish. Now we're just going to wait a little bit. Okay, so and then this is nothing on the screen, so we're just going to this up. Now we're going to see whatever our program. We're just going to double click it to just get our source file and just double click main.cpp. Okay, so here is the Hello World program. If I just go ahead and run this, it's going a little bit laggier because I'm actually using a screen capture software, so it's going to slow down. So here we got Hello World, and we can just press any key to continue. Now we can change the wording around any way we want. By just clicking wherever we want, we can type in welcome to So we can just do that. Welcome to my new channel. I'm just going to go ahead and build and run this. Executed without problem. Hello world, welcome to my new channel. So yeah, exit that out. Process 0 minutes 6 seconds to execute it. It's gonna lag because I am using a screen capture card. Okay, so let's just quickly talk about its structure. In the top here we got number include IOStream. As the basics go, I kind of want to as low as I possibly can go. Really, what I think of this is as number include IOStream. So I think of number as computer include IOStream. IOStream is basically a library. Without IOStream, you can't use cout, you can't use cin, computer output, and computer input. So that's IOStream. There's different types of libraries. There's also graphics library. There's also a CMath library, which I'm going to be talking about sooner or later. For CMath, only in a couple lessons we're going to be starting to talk about that. But graphics, we're going to be in a long. It's a long way until we get to graphics. Okay, underneath that we got using namespace std. This way you don't have to use std in front of your library words like cout, cin, sqrt, which is square root and stuff. That's really just, it's important to have these two. Int main, I think of this as the splitter. On top of int main is the preparation. Underneath is the actual program. Int main is the start of the program, basically. The preparation is including the libraries, using namespace std, starting up everything, and int main underneath that is telling the computer that this is the program. We got cout. We also got two braces here. In the middle of the braces is the actual program, telling the computer in the middle, me and my friend, here is the actual program that I'm going to be executing. Cout means computer output, basically. Then I use the arrows as this, and then message. And if you keep scrolling a little bit down, we got and end line. I think of this as computer output this message, then it says and end line, and then to have semicolon. So this basically outputs this message, and it'll also end the line. ENDL stands for end line, and then it has semicolon, which means that it's just done with executing that line program. So computer output, cout just outputs the text. See if we go ahead and run this. It says hello world, welcome to my new channel. This is what cout, which means computer output, it'll output this. And then underneath that we got return 0, which just returns the value to 0. If we go ahead and delete this, you can see what will happen. It'll just it'll gonna go and build. Oh, it didn't happen this time, but it's supposed to open and just close. are probably it's probably because of I'm using CodeBlox. They actually can't include some things by itself, but you should have return 0 all the time. Then we can end the line. Oh, I spelled that wrong. So yeah, I've used the C++, Visual Studio C++, 2010 Express. It's actually pretty good, but I'm more used to CodeBlox, so I like CodeBlox 10.05 more. So it's really up to you. I'll have links below to Dev C++. I'll have links below to CodeBlox and Visual Studio. I'll also have a link below to the website where you can download Screen-O-Matic, which is the video screen capture card software I'm using now. It's free and everything. It works pretty nice. So here it is. If you go to build and run this, it's gonna build and run like normal. It's gonna take some time again because I'm using a card. So you can play around with this. You can delete something, see what error messages come up. You can try write this without looking. You can add different lines, change the text, whatever you want. So that's basically all I'm going to be talking about today in lesson number 1 about Hello World program and its structure. Tune in again for next time for tomorrow's, I'm thinking maybe on Tuesday or Wednesday you're going to see another episode of lesson number 2, maybe even earlier, maybe even later, where I'm going to talk about comments, CIN, and that's really all. And then after that I'm going to talk about more and more stuff. So anyways, that's really it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment, rate, and thanks for watching.